ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, èèmọ̀ wọ̀lú, èèmọ̀ gidi leléyìí o, kàyéfì. Pásítọ̀ dáná sun ìyàwó ẹ̀ torí pé ìyàwó rẹ̀ dáná sun aṣọ ẹ̀. Ó ní ooru mú, òun ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí láti máa wọ àwọn aṣọ tó gùn báyìí, àwọn aṣọ tó gùn, wípé àwọn ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì òun tó jẹ́ alápá kúkùkú, tó jẹ́ pé alápá kékeré, òun kó sí àwọn ibì kan. Ìyàwó òun ó ní ó palẹ̀ ilé mọ́, bóyá ṣe mọ̀ obìnrin, bóyá ó ń túlé ṣe, wọ́n wò pé àwọn aṣọ wọ̀nyí kò tẹ̀ wúlò mọ́, bí ọkọ òun tẹ̀ ló mọ́, ló bá dáná sun àwọn aṣọ yẹn. Ni ọkọ sọ wípé kò gbàṣẹ lọ́wọ́ òun o kó tó sun aṣọ, ló bá dáná sun ìyàwó. Arákùnrin yẹn ni ó ní kí àwọn ọlọ́pàá kí wọ́n dáríjì òun ò mọ̀, òun ò tẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó kọlù òun ò tẹ̀ mọ̀ gbà tó ń gbé epo. Wọ́n ti sọ wípé òkè báwo ni iná ṣe wá dé ara ìyàwó, ó lóun ò tẹ̀ mọ̀ bí iná ṣe dé ara ìyàwó. Kàyéfì ńlá. Okpebholo ẹ̀rọ orí ẹ̀ bí àgbọn Badagry, gómìnà Okpebholo tó ń sọ wípé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ò ṣe kinní kankan, àwọn gọ́vnà pàápàá jùlọ ìmọ́lẹ̀ lọ́ṣun Adémọ́lá Adélékè wípé àwọn máa gbá kúrò, àwọn máa gbá yọ, tó kóra wọn wá lóní kìtìkìtì, lóní rọ̀tìrọ̀tì. Ẹ wo Governor's House ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èdó, ọ̀nà Governor's House ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èdó lélẹ̀. Màá fi ohun sí gbọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe lọ ṣe àfihàn Governor's House ní Èdó àti àwọn ọ̀nà tí wọ́n fínlẹ̀ tí wọ́n ò ṣe. Ṣé rí pé àwọn eléyìí wọn ò fẹ́ kí ìlú yẹn dáa. Ṣé rí bí wọ́n ṣe ń tẹ̀léra wọn ọ̀lẹ́tẹ̀ láàfà tó ń tẹ̀léra wọn gọ́gọ́gọ́gọ́ tóun náà bá ti sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kejì báyìí, àwọn gọ́vnà tó ti jẹ́ bí APC nílẹ̀ Yorùbá wọn ti lọ bá àwọn tó ṣe nǹkan kan, wọ́n máa sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ fa ọwọ́ ẹnìkan sókè, tá sọ pé kó pín ìlú yẹn nìyẹn, nítorí gbogbo wọn irú kọ̀ọ̀kan náà ni wọ́n. Kí tẹ wá ṣe wípé kẹ́nìkan tí wá máa wá ṣẹ́pẹ́rẹ́ nínú wọn yẹn, wọ́n tẹ̀ kì í fẹ́. Wọ́n fẹ́ kí gbogbo wọn kọ́ ṣáà fi ìlú lẹ̀ kí ìlú má dá. Ẹ wo Èdó lẹ́ ń wò yìí, ọ̀nà lẹ́ ń wò yẹn o, ọ̀rọ̀ fògànà, ìpín tó wà lójú ẹ̀ kò yọ o, ó lọ yọ tójú olójú. Èyí tó wà nínú ìlú ẹ̀ kò mójútó, ọ̀rọ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ló wá ń ganu sí. Ẹ wo jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu pásítọ̀ yìí, ó lágbára o. Ilé wa ò ní dàrú o. Ṣé bá ti rí pé ìgbéyàwó ti ń ní kọ́lọ́bí pé kò lọ smoothly mọ́, ó ti di gbọ́mi sómi o tó. Tẹ́fì wa máa wá dáná sunra yín, bóyá kólúkálukú lọ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀, ó bẹ́tà o. Jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu pásítọ̀.
Hey, let me see your face. What is your name?
My name is Jacob.
Jacob what?
Irewa.
Irewa, where are you living?
Alright.
Which work are you doing?
I'm a teacher.
Teacher? Which school?
I left Irawo. I left Irawo. To Glorious Faith Secondary.
Okay.
But we are on vacation.
Okay.
And also, I'm a pastor.
You are a pastor?
I'm a reverend. Reverend.
Reverend. What is the name of your church? Name of your church?
Currently, I'm attending the church. But God give me the mandate that I will serve Him. I will have my own church in the nearest future. I don't know.
Okay, now, hey, calm down, please.
The devil,
Calm down, my friend. Hey.
My God.
Now.
My God. Okay.
Now, what will happen? What happen? Why they bring you to vigilante office?
Okay. God made me. Me and her, we never fight.
You and her, who?
We never fight.
Who? You and who?
My wife.
Your wife.
We never fight.
Your wife.
I will even lay my hand.
Is it your wife? Is she your wife?
It's my wife, sir.
Okay. How many pikin you have for you?
We don't have it. We are still looking on course.
You never get pikin.
Yes.
So what happened?
I took my bait this evening. So I wanted to put on short sleeve.
Short sleeve.
And because there is heat, I don't want to put long sleeve like this. So I discovered that all my short leaves in my bags, there are almost 7 different colors. There is blue, there is pink, there is brown,
Yes.
there is green,
Yes.
there is yellow, blue, there is 7. Oh man, I go.
What happened sharply?
I did not see anyone in my bag.
Okay.
Then I moved straight to my wife. I did not see my short leave anyone. What happens to my short leave? He said, I am just asking. I said, yes now. It's not me and you that is in the house. She decreased.
Okay.
I run outside. Why are you running now? I'm asking of my t-shirts in my bags. I went to where we spread our clothes on the drying rail. We used to dry our clothes on the fence. I did not see anything. I thought maybe she was there. I did not see anything. The only thing he just mentioned, he said, I have burned them. You are born.
Your wife said you don't burn your
To
clothes.
God forbid.
Okay.
He said she has burned them. Hey, you burned all my short leaves without my knowledge. They are new. I'm still wearing them. Why do you do this to me? I tell the neighbor. I tell all our neighbors. They did not mind. Because she used to always quarrel with him. So nobody attended to her. So the frustration, the anger, I didn't just discover myself any longer. My machine was parked outside. I don't know how I fetched the fuel.
Okay. You fetch the fuel from your machine.
Yes.
And do what?
And do what?
Throw it.
Throw it
You throw
away.
it.
After that,
Throw the fuel away.
Yes, sir.
Or throw it inside.
Or you pour it on her. Did you pour the fuel on her?
This thing is just like
Just say, and we are
pour
asking
the
you
fuel
question.
on her.
Did you pour-
it's just like a
But did you pour the fuel on her?
I don't know, sir. They say he has born. I don't know.
Okay, after you throw
They
the
say she has born.
Hey.
I don't even see her.
now after you throw the fuel away,
I threw the fuel.
what happened?
They say she has born. I did not even see her with my eye.
So how the light now take enter his body?
How did she burn?
How did
If
she
it's
burn?
only the fuel you pour on her, how
she
she bring
burn?
fire into her body to burn her?
who set the fire?
Sir,
Who set the fire?
the fire. I think maybe I don't know. Maybe I carry fire. I don't just know.
You don't know when you carry fire. So because your wife say you offended you, he bought your t-shirt. So you now go to your machine and fetch your fuel and petrol
Oh, Father.
and throw it on her. So now you now set fire. Okay, calm down. You now set fire on her. You say that you don't know. Now devil. And you call yourself a pastor. You call yourself a pastor. You said that God called you. That one day you are going to. Okay, that is the way. This is the way that you are going to get your church.
God forgive me.
Abi, don't worry yourself. You go answer. You are going to go answer where you from.
God forgive me.
So you know where you from.
God forgive
Okay.
me.
So
Lord have mercy upon me.
Oya, prepare your kid fight. Then we'll move on to station.
Lord have
Direct.
mercy upon me.
You know what he did? We are going to the station. That's why you wrong.
Have mercy upon me.
No.
Oga stand.
ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa ṣé ẹ bá wa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu pásítọ̀ yìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ló le tó eléyìí ẹ̀fún ni tàbí èdì ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo aṣọ tó tẹ̀ ń sọ yẹn èlé ló lè tó méje àbí mẹ́jọ tó sọ okay ìbá tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé kó jẹ́ millions of shirts tó wá tó pé èèyàn ń dáná sun ìyàwó ẹ̀ nítorí ẹ̀ tí nǹkan mi ò bá wà ń di ẹ̀ àbí ṣé aṣọ yẹn ṣé ojú fẹ́rẹ́ ni ṣé aṣọ yẹn kì í ṣe pé nǹkan mi wà ń bẹ̀ kì í ṣe ordinary shirt ni àbí nǹkan mi wà lára shirt yẹn. Ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin bàbá wa ẹ̀yin ìyá wa ṣàpọ̀ ọmọdé làṣàkẹ́ bá wa dá sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tí pásítọ̀ sọ ẹjọ́ kí ló ń tẹ́ bá wa rí sọ sí. Ṣé pé ìyàwó ó dáná sun àwọn aṣọ bóyá ó ń tún lé ṣe ẹgbẹ́ ńgbà mí aṣọ kan máa ń pọ̀ sílé ìyàwó dẹ̀ mú gbogbo aṣọ yẹn ó lọ jó ọkọ wa ní kò gbàṣẹ lọ́wọ́ òun wáṣọ òun lọ síbi táwọn sáṣọ sí òun rí ìgbà tó wáyá ló wá sọ fún pé aṣọ tóun ti sun òun náà bá wá sáré lọ sí ìdí machine bá lọ gbé epo pẹtiró ló bá dà lúyàwó ló bá jó Elédùmarè kò ṣe àánú fún wa o. Ṣé rí ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́kọláya tàbí ìgbéyàwó tó bá ti ń di gbazgbos eléyìí tẹ́ fi para yín kó bí akólúkálukú lọ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ó bẹ́tà. Tó bá ti ń di wípé èní ogun ọ̀la ìjà gbọ́n mi sí omi odò tẹ́ fi wá gbẹ̀mí ara yín wà fi wá di apààyàn torí náà ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ sọ wípé nítorí aṣọ ó ní kí wọ́n dáríjì wọn àbí iṣẹ́ èṣù ni wọ́n máa ń parọ́ mọ́ iṣẹ́ èṣù ni kìdí kan ni pásítọ̀ ó lọ fà kí lè bá wa rí sọ́sẹ̀ yẹn ènìyàn wa. Ẹ wo Okpebholo ẹ tẹ̀ bá mi gbé wá come over here ẹ rórí ẹ̀ aláìmọ̀wó ń kà. Mo sọ pé fídíò tó ṣe yẹn tó wá sílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó kó àwọn ẹrú kú ẹ̀ sọ́wọ́ yẹn wá gbọ́ ohùn ẹ̀ lórí ìkànnì yìí. I don't know they carry last. I don't know they carry last. Edo na small London. Wọ́n tún Edo ṣe òun rèé o. Governor's house ọ̀nà tó lọ bẹ̀ ẹgbọ́n. Ẹ wo ọ̀nà tó lọ sí government house. Ẹni tó ṣe ọ̀nà tó lọ government house ṣé òun ló fẹ́ ṣe ọ̀nà tí ará ìlú ń gbà. Ẹ wo ọ̀nà tí àwọn ará ìlú ń gbà lélẹ̀ government house lélẹ̀ òun gọ́re tó ń sọ wípé Obaseki ló dúró sí water òun fúnra ara ẹ̀ ló kó sínú omi kó tó dé orí ipò sí water see where the water reach me here ó bọ́ síbẹ̀ ní Okpebholo ní o mọ́ ní Okpebholo D7 governor ẹ bá ń gbọ́ D7 governor òun ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ F9 governor F9 ló tòjọ́ WAEC result ó tó F9 jọ ní D7 governor kó tó débẹ̀ òun rèé tó ní Obaseki ò ṣe kankan kò ṣe ọ̀nà àwọn àgbà kúrò òun náà wá padà débẹ̀ báyìí ẹ wo government house ọ̀nà tó lead sí jẹ́ ká gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu àwọn ará ìlú ẹ̀.
Zero to government house o zero to government house dey see am now na road to government house o all the motor dey slow down see government house here here na road to government house for Benin City Edo State you dey see am road to government house o you dey see am all the motor dey slow down see am you dey see am road to government house.
Àwọn amòṣùwà àwọn ìka wọn sí nǹkan kan nínú ìlú wọn.
Thank you.
Wọ́n ń débẹ̀ wọ́n kàn ń kówó jẹ ni. Wọ́n sí nǹkan kan nínú ìlú wọn.
Jesus, this is not government. Are you serious?
Mona see the road of Edo State. Mona see road for Edo State where the governor.
Ṣé ẹ ti rí road to government house ẹ wo bó ṣe rí ẹ wá imagine báwo ni ìlú ṣe fẹ́ wá rí ẹ wo nǹkan tárákùnrin yìí sọ gbèsè ròdù o ẹ wo ọ̀nà ó fi ọ̀nà ìlú ẹ sílẹ̀ ó ṣí ọ̀nà ó gba Ọ̀ṣun lọ ọ̀rọ̀ fògànà ó gba Ọ̀ṣun lọ ó lọ ń yẹnu sọ síbẹ̀ ǹjẹ́ ìwọ gan ṣé o ṣí ọ̀nà ìlú ẹ ẹgbọ́n kan tí wọ́n sọ nínú fídíò yìí eléyìí kì í ṣe fídíò tó ti ṣe tipẹ́ o lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó lọ sí Ọ̀ṣun ni wọ́n lọ ṣe fídíò yìí wá you see your life outside.
To Osun State, we want to sincerely apologize for what the governor of Edo State came to say in Osun State. Now, Davido, or Deleke family, this is an apology video. This is Edo State road. The governor, this is Edo State road. The governor cannot even fix road, but he had the effort to leave Edo State to go to Osun State to be saying something as if he's doing anything well. At least Adeleke is 100% better than the state governor. This is our road. This is our road. Someone that is not dancing, this is our road. I didn't think our state governor is dancing is even better. But he's not dancing, but he cannot do anything. He's serious, but he cannot do anything. He's focused and he cannot do anything. This is our road. For the fact he's not dancing, this is our road. I didn't think he's dancing now. They will say now he's not focused, but now he's very, very focused and this is our road. So you people should not mind him. You people should not mind him. Osun State Governor, Mr. Adeleke, I know you are a very learned person. Do not mind him because I don't know what is wrong with him because if he is normal, there's no way our road will be like this. So you get it. So you people should just go and tell the state governor to come and fix this road. This road by Ogun Junction. Come and fix the road. People are going through a lot. People are suffering. You are there to do your work. Stop putting people under this suffering. Come and fix the road. The road is very, very bad. Everybody, if you are seeing this video, don't tag the various authorities. Tag to so that you will get to the governor of Edo State. Come and fix this road. This road is very, very bad. People are going through a lot. People are suffering. People are in here. What people are telling you now that is hellfire somewhere. This is where the hellfire is. People are in hellfire here in Edo State. Don't expect hellfire anywhere. This is Edo State. This is hellfire. People cannot move freely. That's why the fact are buying petrol at a very costly price. But they cannot move freely. They cannot move, drive their cars. Look at cars everywhere. Look at this place. This motor now, they offloaded it because the road was too bad. It cannot move again. So they offloaded this one now. So you see now, this is what people are going through. And you call yourself governor of Edo State. You call yourself that you are a
Governor Monday Okpebholo. Yes. Governor Monday Okpebholo. He dey back. He with the convoy. They dey back as I dey talk to na so. He not see road enter the office. Understand? Where they go another state, go they campaign for another state. Say the state is not working. State where they work, say it's not working. Today now, post this video, let it go viral. Yes, yeah, everywhere. As I talk to now, so all the whole streets where they this area now, most of the truck now that they follow now. Some don't even sick for inside there. Area boys they collect money for their hand now. As I talk to now, so going and coming, going and coming, going and coming, going and coming. This is a governor where they call the make name for Osun State. Say Osun State not the Osun State not the work. He say if the man sign paper, he go dey dance. Are you jealous of his progress? That is my question for you. You dey jealous of the man progress? Say the man, if he sign paper, he go dance. If he do this one, he go dance. If you do, why not go dance when the state is working? Your own state is not working. That is why you cannot dance. People of Osun State. People of Osun State. See, wanna see Mona see the road of Edo State. Mona see road for Edo State where the governor they can pay for now. The governor of Edo State they can pay for now. Say they're not the work for Osun State. Say they're not the work for Osun State. Yeah. See road. Mona see road for inside Edo State. Today now August. Today now August 7, 2026. Now be today. So today no, I want me to post this video, make go viral. See, as I talk to myself, I go deep down now where the governor of Edo State for the come for road. As they come for Osun State now, you know see road enter inside Benin. You know see road enter inside Benin. As I talk to now, so they go now that side they go so. My go video Ramon Asian. People of Osun State. This is Edo State. This will not be inside village. Maybe they'll say maybe in a village now maybe they abandon the road. This is Edo State road. Not be village, inside town. Inside town. When you hear inside town for Edo State, see now bridge. Now be this one so bridge. Now this road, is from Sapler Road, from here to where Kafteosa for get tomatoes fine not far for here. Here now Idogbo now be this place Idogbo. Now Idogbo be this place now. From here now if you come out for here now, you go Agbo Road. If you come out for Agbo Road, you go Auti bypass. Edo is shiny. So now so the road. So road by come out, go another state, go they campaign for another state. They tell another state say Osun not the work. Osun is not working. The carry one Calabar boy follow body. Go the shout Osun is not working. See and Edo State be this. Today now August 7, 2026. August 7. The governor of Edo State they back as they talk now so. He not see road to enter your house. Governor Okpebholo. Yes. Governor Okpebholo. He dey back. He not see he with the convoy that they back as they talk now so. He not see road to enter the office. Understand? Where they go another state, go they campaign for another state. Say the state is not working. State where they work, he say it's not working. Today now post this video, let it go viral. Yes, yeah, everywhere. As I talk to now so, all the whole streets where they this area now, most of the truck now that they follow now. Some don't even sick for inside there. Area boys they collect money for their hand now. As I talk to now so, see, going and coming. Going and coming. Going and coming. Going and coming. This is a governor where they call the maintenance for Osun State. Say Osun State not the work. He say if the man sign paper, he go the dance. Are you jealous of the progress? That is my question for you. You dey jealous of the man progress? Say the man if he sign paper, he go dance. If you do this one, he go dance. If you do, why not go dance when the state is working? Your whole state is not working. That is why you cannot dance. Ma zoom out for now. Ma see where the governor. Sir, this one is one of the boss way follow. Not be joking matter.
This is the city of Edo, and this is the GRA, and we can't even pass. So we have to use leg to cross this river. This is river GRA, river Basaki, river Asfer, Igodalo. These people have actually failed Edo people. We need to. This is the problem we are facing. This is how we party every day. No vehicle can pass here now. We have to park our vehicle to use leg cross.
The road I was passing, my tire was shaking. I said, is it the Dancing road or the Dancing Governor's road? They say it's the dancing governor's road. But I want you to enjoy good road. And the man that will give you good road is Ambo. Are we ready? Also, are we ready to make a change? Are we ready to say bye-bye to dancing? So that it's only when there is ceremony that people will go and dance. Not when it is business to save the people and save the land.
Ṣé rí ọ̀nà? So ṣé irú ẹni yìí ó yẹ kó lè máa sọ pé òun lọ sí state kan lọ sọ̀rọ̀? Mi tẹ́ mọ̀ bó ṣe débẹ̀. Irú ọ̀nà ṣe fi irú ẹni yìí sọ pé òun jẹ́ governor. Ẹni tó lè pronounce owó ṣe bóun náà rèé.
25 appropriation bill of 605 billion 76 million 76. Let me take it again. 506 billion. 605 billion. Sorry. 776 billion. Sorry. It's confusing me. Okay. Sorry. Yes. 6.
Edo no dey carry last. Edo dey shine. Edo dey shine. Lọ́wọ́ Monday Okpebholo, Edo dey shine. Òun rèé o. Chinese. Ṣé ẹ rójú ayé wọn lóde? Tí wọ́n bá ṣàti ọjọ́ wà ní party kan báyìí, wọ́n máa bora wọn ni, wọ́n máa gbèsè ẹ̀yìn ara wọn ni. Àwọn dọ̀gì. Wọ́n máa gbèsè ẹ̀yìn ara wọn, máa tẹ̀léra wọn dọ̀ọ́dọ̀ la fi ní ẹpín ìlú yẹn kólúkálukú lọ láyọ̀ àtàlàfíà. Àwọn eléyìí, this kind set of people. Ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ túlù ṣe láwọn eléyìí? Gbogbo owó allocation ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ báyìí. Kò lè rí answer fún yín. Gbogbo owó allocation, security vote, àwọn ló ń ná. Agbádá ni wọ́n fi kó sọ́rùn tán láwọn ń bọ̀ lọ́ṣọ́ nìyẹn. Ẹ wò wọ́n. Wọ́n ṣe ń tẹ̀léra wọn nìyẹn bí iná orí. Wọ́n ṣe ń tẹ̀léra wọn nìyẹn bí iná orí tán wọ oversize agbádá. Ìlú náà ní ẹ túṣe. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ máa intimidate àwọn èèyàn kiri. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ máa kàn para yín lórí ará ìlú. Tó bá ti bí yín dá, ẹ ti wá dánrú ẹ̀ wò ní any state nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kẹ́ kúrò ní Edo, kẹ́ máa wá halẹ̀ mọ́ wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. You won't take that at all. Torí ẹ lè gba irú ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yín lọ́hùn. Ẹ lè gba irú ẹ̀ o. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ náà wọ́n tú sí lójú o, wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ o. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ò fi bò o. Àwọn ọmọ Edo wọ́n tú sí lójú dáadáa ni. Òun ló yẹ kán ṣe fídíò wípé oríṣiríṣi iná ń jó lórí òrùlé ẹ ò bomi pa, ó lọ ń bomi ń pa ilé onílé. Kí ló kàn ẹ́? Àti ẹ̀ jẹ́ ẹni tó ti ẹ̀ ṣàpúrápúrá dọ̀ọ́dọ̀ tó yẹ pé ṣe ni wọ́n kàn fi dí gẹrẹwu síbẹ̀. Ẹni tó ní kẹsí pharmacy certificate ṣe ráyé wọn lóde. Àwọn tó kàwé o tí wọ́n ní certificate gidi wọn ò ní jẹ́ kí wọ́n débẹ̀ kí wọ́n tú ìlú ṣe. Àárín ara wọn yẹn tó jẹ́ pé analog brain ni wọ́n ní wọ́n máa gbéra wọn síbẹ̀. At the end of the day ẹ ní rí good result. Ẹ ní rí nǹkan kan tí wọ́n máa ṣe sí ìlú. Òun nìyẹn ṣe rí bí ìlú ṣe rí. Ní century tá a wà yìí nínú Áfíríkà ó lójú ìlú tẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní Áfíríkà yìí mi tẹ̀rọ bó yóò wà tẹ́ẹ̀ ní rí kí wọ́n tá gbogbo inú ìgboro kákàkiri. Àfàwọn nìkan ọba yé jẹ́. Àwọn náà lọ́dẹ̀ máa wá lọ́la báyìí tí wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ó yá àwọn làwọn lè ṣe àwọn set of Okpebholo. Ìlú wo lẹ fẹ́ ẹ dé Benin ẹ máa rí gọ́tà tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa tá gbogbo ẹ̀ ni. Àìmọye fídíò ni mo ti ṣe níbí wípé ẹ ní fojú rí gọ́tà gan. Níbí yìí wọ́n máa wá gbé asẹ́lé lórí ni. Jẹ́ pé asẹ́ ìlú máa sẹ́ ìdọ̀tí. Bójò bá rọ̀, òjò bá rọ̀ ní láàárín ìṣẹ́jú méjì omi ti gbogbo títì ti mọ́ fẹ́. Ẹ wo bómi ṣe ń wọlé. Àdènà ní ìjọba. Ìjọ wo la fẹ́ bọ́ nínú gbogbo wọn? Yorùbá jẹ́ ká jí lójú oorun wa. Kí lè mọ̀ lè kò ṣàánú fún wa. ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa jẹ́ ká rí èròǹgbà yìí ní abẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí lórí gbogbo àwọn ètò tá a mú wá fún wa kí ló ń tẹ̀nà bá wa rí sọ́sẹ̀ jẹ́ ká rí èròǹgbà yìí ní abẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àríwísí ẹ tẹ̀lé wa lórí àwọn ìkànnì wa ẹ bá wa subscribe sórí YouTube channel wa ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń wò wá lórí Facebook ẹ bá wa subscribe sórí YouTube channel wa Àṣàkẹ́ TV Show dúdú àgbéwà láṣẹ Ìdùmarè.